What do you guys think? It's so pretty. I just finished it, and I don't know how many yards it is, but it's a size. Don't. This is basically the size. It's a fingering weight. I'm loving the fingering weight yarns. There's some over twisting, but it's to be expected. Handspun yarn. Okay, let me show you. This is a black handspun I spun the other day, and I balled it up because I didn't have my cake winder. You can see that. So I'm going to crochet with my handspun. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till my new camera holder comes, and then I'll work with it so that way you guys could see how it looks consistency wise, because I'm trying to work on my consistency. So, and I want to just keep spinning 2-weight yarn because I just love, or what, size 1, size 2 yarn, because I love how it looks and when it's worked up. So yeah, this is my finished yarn. I'm so happy with it. And then this is the first yarn I ever spun. This is the first yarn I ever spun. This is leftover from the yarn I used for that bandana from my last video. So my yarn has come a long way. I ripped this off of the spinning wheel, and it's got all this hair on it. It's gross. But yeah. It's so pretty. So this is my next plying spin that I'm going to do. This yarn reminds me of Spider-Man. So I'm gonna apply this up soon. I still have a lot of fiber to spin, so we'll see how much this holds. And then if I have leftover of that fiber, I might just spin it on my wheel. I'm not really sure. But yeah, this is gonna be my next spin. I finished my bag o' day entry, but I'm not gonna show it until after she shows it, I think, if she shows them in like a slideshow. So I'm not gonna show that until after the contest is closed. For surprise sake, I guess. But yeah, this is my spinning. And here's my WIP down here for crochet. That you will see tomorrow if I finish more of it. Hopefully. That is the plan for today. Is to fold laundry and finish some things up. Thank you guys. See, fold laundry. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.